Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. One of the hot categories at this year's Consumer Electronics Show was once again kitchen tech, and a company called CookingPal showed off an automated appliance called Julia. Wonder where they came up with that name. So what can it do? At the risk of sounding like an infomercial, marketing manager Anna Khomenko says there are two parts.
So with just one appliance, you could be mixing and chopping and whipping and steaming and boiling and even cooking the onion. So no more crying in the kitchen. You just put the onion into the bowl and it's going to chop it for you and it's going to cook it for you. The way to control it is through the Smart Kitchen Hub.
A tablet that is part of the system. But wait, there's more coming later this year. You can find it at CookingPal.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.